This is Jewel on a typical day. Say hi, Jewel. Okay, she don't like the camera up too close. So I usually go in the kitchen and get whatever I need. Right now it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna get some lunch. And I put Jewel on the stand so she can have a clear view of me. But she won't stay there. Watch what she does. I can stay there, Jewel, while I make my lunch. Oh, she's on a good behavior because I got the camera out. There she goes. This is typically what she does. So stay on the playstand for a few seconds or a few minutes, then jump in here with me. This is normal cockatiel behavior too. They like to forage on the ground. So get used to cockatiel walking around on the floor. She was known to try to pull the grout out between the tiles. But I don't really care. She'll pick up some debris when she walks around. Though she likes it. So I let her walk around on the floor, because that's normal behavior for her. You have to let a bird be a bird. You still have to keep an eye on it though. You don't want her to get anything that she shouldn't be getting into, like electrical wires or, I don't know, maybe a plastic bag. You just have to always keep an eye on your bird. They're not like dogs where you can just let them go and they're fine. Right now, I know my dog is somewhere nearby, but I don't know what he's doing. But I trust him not to destroy the house or poop everywhere because he's house trained. You know the dog. However, Jewel, Jewel, you wanna come here? She likes to go off on her own now and then, but she likes to keep me in a line of sight because if I walk away from her, this is what she'll do. Try to follow me, or she'll tweet. Now wait for her to come around and find me. Jewel! I'm over here. Julie! She'll come eventually. Just waiting for her. Taking longer than usual. Alright, let's go find her. Julie! There you are. You knew where I was, didn't you? That's why you didn't come looking for me? She normally comes looking for me. She don't let me stay out of her line of sight too long. You wanna come up, Jewel? Step up? No? No, see? Like a little kid. She's happy as long as I'm nearby. Where do you think I'm going, Jewel? Oh, Klaus had entered the room. Hi, Klaus. Well, she doesn't like my dog getting too close. Okay, Jewel. I got you now. So that's a little demonstration of my life with Jewel. Hey, Klaus, you like the camera? He's a big ham. He's a big ham. Aw. The worst thing to be, Klaus. You want that a belly rub? Okay. Well, this is my vlog. Signing off. Bye-bye.